Are you trying to add more videos to your playlists on Facebook? Hi, Taylor here at Financial Potion, where video is your financial potion. And to never miss out on a video, please make sure you're subscribed to our channel and then click on that bell so you're notified when a new video is uploaded. For one-to-one training or just to support our content, please connect with us on our Patreon page by clicking above. So adding videos to a playlist is a feature that you can only do on your business or brand page. Once you're on your page, go to Videos and then go to Manage Playlists. This will open up the Facebook Creator Studio. From there, you can click on New Playlists to create a new playlist, or you can click on an existing playlist and then click on Add Videos to add more videos to that playlist. It's important to keep videos of similar topics in the same playlist so people can more easily watch more of your content. If the video fits within a series, you should click on the left where it says Series to then organize your series. I hope this helps you better organize your videos on Facebook using playlists and series. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and until next week, stay engaging.